This is a video on how to remove the spoiler from the support on the trunk on a Ttrs. So what you want to do is you want to remove the screws from the black support, and then you want to use plastic pry bars and a heat gun or a hair dryer. And you're going to start on one end and you're going to slowly pry up. And you're going to use the plastic pry bars to help hold it open while you're using a hair dryer or a heater to warm everything up and make it easier to pry the tape off of the support to the spoiler. So the black support is fiberglass resin board, so it will crack if you try to press on it too hard. So that's why you want to try to you're going to want to try to apply pressure upwards and not down onto the black supports. And if you feel like the spoiler or the support is bending, just stop, take a little more time, and try to heat it up a little bit more and use the pry bars. And then once you go from one end to the other, then you're going to want to clean it off with a 3M adhesive wheel and clean off all the adhesive. Then once you have it all cleaned up, then you're going to use new 3M adhesive tape and you're going to put it on the spoiler, and then you can reattach it the same way that it came off, except for obviously you're not going to be prying on it anymore. Hope that this was informative enough for you. Thank you.